You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. Very useful, very common, very interesting word in English, but confusing. The spelling makes it confusing if you want to learn actual letters from the alphabet and how to pronounce it. Learn more English, stay tuned to the channel, got tons more coming up. Let's break it down. Vowel, both British and American English pronunciations are similar here. So it's va. I know the spelling is an O, but it's not vo, it's va, va. So it's much more open than an O, it's an R, va, wo, va, wo. I've actually spelled it a bit wrong. It's not vowel, vowel. Vowel. Both British and American are similar here. Vowel. Did you get this? Listen carefully. Vowel. Let me know in the comments if you got it. I'll see you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.